So, went by Food City, got a few more things. Thought you might enjoy. Just riding along. I won't run my mouth. I was surprised Food City was open, but also surprised how many people there were in there. I just got some sodas and a pizza. You know, I've got plenty of food, and it's just me. But plus this kind of weather, get out in it, be part of it. Don't sit at home. Food City, we'll see ya. Ooh, wonder if Pal's is open. I could use, I don't have to go home and make something to eat. You can see my wiper. Yeah, it got ripped. Let's see, I can't see where the road is. Let's go see if Pal's is open. Okay. They're open, and I see Tim. Do you see the side by side? I'll go slow and show you. Look at that. Oh well, of course my window is. There we go. Okay. Let's go to Food City. House, then home. Oh, this will be tight. Hang on. I'm sliding. Not that bad. Okay, folks. Gotta get my wallet out. Let's put the camera down for a minute. Dun, dun, dun. What do I want to treat myself with? 2 hot dogs. That's enough. Dun, 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 dun.
Hello.
Hi there. I would like 2 hot dogs, no onion. That's all.
2 hot dogs, no onion. All right. $6.11.
Okay. Thank you. She's thinking, here's an old guy at my window. So, rented a really good movie last night that I'll watch again this evening with the pizza that I bought that's back there. Pizza and RC Cola. That's how I celebrate snow. But movie Nuremberg with the guy Russell Crowe that played oh my gosh, the gladiator. There we go. Sorry, I hit the mute button while. So I'm at Pal's. Over there's Food City. You know me, I live alone. So all I needed was I got a pizza to cook later and a bunch of RC Cola. RC Cola is the best because those are my initials. Rob Cookenour, RC. So of course I'll drink RC Cola. But anywho, the drive-through here at Pal's is rather long. And you're getting ready to see, let me zoom in. Come on now, zoom in. Right there. There it goes. Yeah. Look at that. Okay, it's getting. Want to see what an ugly old man looks like? Yeah, that's me. So, I'm in my Jeep, just out and about. Isn't that what guys do when you have bad weather? Get out in it. Okay, let me sit you here for a moment. Hang on. I'm sorry, there's no view. Gotta pay for my 2 hot dogs. Hey, I'm
Hi there.
Hi there.
How you doing today?
Doing very well.
There's your card.
Okay, no, thank you.
No problem. Have a good day. Stay safe.
Thank you. Quit looking at my phone in the holder, Mr. Cashier. I'm not up to nothing. Okay. Let's drive home. I could walk here. That's one of the reasons I like living where I do. Oops, a little sideways. The retreated Indian Ridge. Let's see if I slide. Let's hit the brakes. Here we go. Ready? See, it's not the end of the world. Those of you all seen too many movies and TV where if there's a little snow and ice, you're gonna roll and flip 13 times, erupt into a ball of flames, be trapped, can't breathe. No. You might slide a little bit, but there you go. Okay. Got plenty of fuel. So watch the movie Nuremberg with Russell Crowe. You'll like it. Y'all can't hear anything. Put the window down. You don't want to see my dash. So just left Food City here on down from Lowe's in Johnson City, of course. I will not make this green light. But thought I'd run out, get a pizza to cook later. Food City Deli, their pizzas are actually good. And a bunch of RC Cola. Because again, those are my initials, so I like RC Cola ever since I was a kid. So there is, you know, the BP here at Food City. Follow that truck and you'll be heading to Johnson City Medical Center. I mean, directions wise, not like he's driving unsafe. It's just fine out here. Yeah, my wiper blades, they were frozen. I'll show you again. Yeah, that sucker was frozen this morning. It's the windshield. Had to put the phone down because police officer's right beside me. What a surprise. Green arrow. I'm not going anywhere. Okay. I had the police officer right beside me, so I didn't want to be filming with one hand and driving with the other during a snowstorm. Okay. So it's just fine with the Food City. Got a pizza to cook later. RC Cola. So now you're going to see how to get to my place, Leafwood City. Now we are on Indian Ridge Road. And we're getting ready to turn right into the retreat at Indian Ridge. They charge you, they're considered luxury apartments. I don't feel like the Jeffersons moving on up living here, but there we go. The retreat at Indian Ridge. Roads are just a little bit different once we get into here. Let's get you up closer. Boy, is it quiet. I should get the mail, but we'll wait. Already got to be out with a couple neighbors. I used my spade shovel as a snow shovel, which was just fine to help. I've got some neighbors that might need to get to their vehicle. Oh, what a view. Okay. Yeah, see, I live on this cul-de-sac. Just the best neighbors. Now, can I back into my spot? Let's try that. Right there is my spot. Right by my door. I love it. Okay, let me put you folks down for a moment. Can we reverse the camera? Yeah. So don't hit the brand new Honda or the Hyundai beside me. Okay. Making it. Look at that. What was the old advertising we used? Only in a Jeep. Okay, folks. You don't want to look at me. God, do I look scary. Reminds me of that caveman movie from the 80s. Okay. Let me step out, then you all can get back to what you're busy doing. Me and the neighbors are all stuck at home. Engine off. Lights off. Okay. Well then, I'm glad y'all came along. You could at least stay long enough to let me walk inside. Then you can go. Stick with me. I never have company, so give me a moment. You would never know I was out here cleaning off this. Oh, good thought about the e-brake. I'll come back out here after I eat. I purposely don't lock the doors. There's nothing in the Jeep, the value, but I purposely don't lock the doors just so they don't freeze up. See, it's nice and warm in here. I have my lights on a little app so I can turn my lights on the way here. Just hit all on. See, that way it's ready and waiting for you. But what I like about these apartments, it's just enough. 900 square feet. I can see out the front, turn around, and my bedroom opens up to the big, what else? My connection for just a moment. There we go. You guys might appreciate this. I turned my coat closet into my garage. My garage. It's just me. Nobody's ever over on what few coats I have. Most people use it not as just a junk storage or something. But I thought I miss my garage, my full basement. So, it's just, you can see there's just a regular door. It's meant, again, just a coat closet. But I added shelves. Got my, you can see the black metal storage shelf in here. I ran some power around the bottom down there, ran some power in here so that I can, let me turn the big light off. I can power my little shop light and have a miniature There, I got all my power tools up here charging. I got a power strip. By running the light, my power, you can't see it, I'm sorry. By running my power in here along the bottom, doesn't hurt my feet. Red it up. Put it back. So now I have my power strip back there for all my little rechargeables. And I keep my rechargeables handy. Added some more wire shelving. So I made my coat closet. Let me step in here. There's my sawzall and everything else. You've got a lot of room in these small apartments, so you just got to be an efficiency nut like me. So, in my little shop light that, you know, light on a cord, just mounted it to there. So now I have my shop light and everything's controlled from my phone as far as turning the light on. And then on the door, I hang my ladder. There you go. So that way, if you got a little apartment, I don't know where to keep my tools, turn your coat closet into a small, into a small garage. And there's my, so this is just, if you're a dork like me, you're into vintage stuff. How many of y'all still have brochures from the dealership for your 1976 Suburban pickup? I bought stuff just to kind of remind me. It's fun to look through these. Get your 79 Camaro brochure, old car magazines. You might remember dreaming over these back in the day. Well, anyway, but it's hard to, there's my little kitchen nook area. And what I like is gone neat and tidy. You see the paintings for the bathroom. You'd be bored. So, then the bedroom, it's just me in there, so I'm thinking about cutting my king-size bed in half. Scoot it towards the wall and I'll gain 4 more feet. But the bedroom opens up to this beautiful, oh look how fun. Sorry, I just see the, you see the neighbors right there at my finger. That is too funny. Look, here's my beautiful view, summer and winter. That is hilarious. I've got to get out there with, let me see if I can zoom in. Come on, there we go. See, that's my kind of friends, taking a selfie in a snowstorm. That's like the best kind of folks right there. Getting out in it. Don't stay bundled up like it's dangerous. I was like, get out in it. I don't know if I know them or not. I can see where they, but anyway, that's the neighborhood. Okay, I'll bore y'all. Get the snow up. So, I don't work anymore. This is my abode. But yeah, let's take that king-size bed, cut it literally down the middle, scoot it towards the wall, get 4 more feet, and then I can be like I'm in high school again, at living at home, and get more exercise stuff in here. My desk. Then I added for my closet. Don't you like these miniature old lamps? For my closets, I don't know why I'm suddenly giving you a tour. Originally, they came with the very weak, single little white wire. Can't do anything with it. So, if you look, I bought some matching white tubing. One back there, and one right there. Made it all the way to the floor. So now I can put heavy stuff over. The weight is transferred to the floor. And for all my nice jackets, I bought matching white hooks. And that way I can put the big bulky stuff that takes up space. I can put it right there. Yeah. Hey, there's me on the cover of the Elizabeth and Star back in 1983. Can't see it anyway. Oh, we'll get back to here in a minute. Added lights under my bed. See that? Which is kind of hard to tell here during the day. But yeah, I love seeing the neighbors out there enjoying the snow. That's my kind of folks. Get out in it. Well, there I am in the mirror. Well, I'll end with my coffee mug project. Again, I'm just an old guy, live alone, don't even have pets here. I love this community because it's a non-smoking community, which is wonderful. I don't smoke. I forgot I have coffee made ready. Little colorful. All my color. I like color because it helps things happier. So, put your little things in very charming little colorful containers. That way it's more interesting when you have to use them. Color. Don't buy white measuring cups. Buy something with some color. Anyway, so what I'm going to do with my coffee mugs is they all make me grin. They're happy. Why put my Halloween mugs out for just a few weeks during Halloween, then put them away for 11 months when they make me smile. So I'm going to put each one of these on a Lazy Susan. Mix up the Halloween, the Christmas mugs, then the regular coffee mugs. And that way, let me stand back here. I'll have 5 hangers with mugs on them so I can spin them around on the Lazy Susan. And if I want to have a Christmas or Halloween mug in July, I can. So the artwork will end it. I will show you some of my artwork. Not my artwork, paintings. Some candles with Stephanie. This you can't make it up, but that's Stephanie's 2 legs with a puppy at her feet. I bought the candles and had pictures put on them, like that one of us. She's on her tippy toes, giving me a kiss way back in 1997, I think, or 6. And that painting is big. It's about almost 5 feet. I better not let that music get on here. It'll be muted for copyright. So, what kind of paintings? Yes, I'm still eternally 10 years old. I have mini movie posters. See how big they are? Mini movie posters. Cassette tapes. Okay, I need to stop and eat. Y'all are... Sorry, I'm looking outside. I see more snow, more neighbors. So, let's end it with, I'll show you a quickie look at each of these paintings. Here's my daughter's memories wall. Lost her very unexpectedly, January 24th of 23. So, anything and everything that reminds me of her that's delicate or precious. Hourglass, because her hourglass stopped. Anyway, so paintings, okay. Who doesn't like that one at the top? Kind of very rural, very just farm kids playing. That's enough. There's that one. This one down here is a brilliant, vibrant color. And you can, if you was in person, you'd see there's still some texture of the brush strokes. Simulated brush strokes, you know. Now this one was $300. I ordered from greatbigcanvas.com. I'm very romantic, even though I haven't had a date in 8 years. But I like the rich warmth of it. You can see little hidden couples. Just the setting, the painting. So that's that one. This one just shows a woman relaxed, at peace in the shade. More flowers. And a favorite of mine, battleships in the moment, at the heat of the moment. Just look at the exchanging fire. A very warm painting right next to a very cold painting. Rich blues, dark blues, and the warmth coming from the street lamp and people underneath it. And the last painting is this one, which is kind of a hidden, or some, during the Civil War, some Northerners right there on the fence. And it's just a beautiful painting. And we'll end it with my couch potato, my handy little crochet complete. I bought this one because the dark wood of the feet of it matches how I have dark wood all around. Even I made the bottom of my coffee table ottoman where I store books. And then under that window, I have my bench that used to be in the entryway of my condo. And it fits perfect there. That way, there's my Jeep in the window with the snow coming down. But anyway, that makes that window a space. You can sit there. Okay, let's put the couch potato back and get the eating. You all enjoy this weather and go do something. I'm going to go out on the deck in a little bit, get on my porch swing. And what can we end this with? We'll end it with my miniature cast iron skillet warm melter. Look at that little guy. I've got a little melt that started last night. There we go. Get your tea light candle under it. Okay. You folks have a good weekend. I will.